In this video, we will learn how to get a custom crosshair in Fortnite. In Fortnite, if you want to get a custom crosshair, firstly you will need to disable the crosshair provided by Fortnite. To do that, go to the top right hand side and click on your profile icon. After that, go to the gear button. Then you need to head to the game UI tab. In here, you will find reticle and damage feedback tab, which includes the reticle setting. All you need to do is turn it off, click on apply, and get back to the lobby. After turning the reticle off, you need to open up your Epic Games launcher. From here in the store, you will search for crosshair. And after typing in crosshair, you will find a application called Crosshair V2. All you need to do is just open it up. Then click on get. Now the Crosshair V2 will be in your library. You need to place order. And now the Crosshair V2 is in your library. So all you need to do is install it. You can install it anywhere. Now it is being installed. After the installation is done, all you need to do is launch it. After that, you'll see that a crosshair has appeared in the middle of your screen. Now we'll get into Fortnite to test it out. Now as you can see, this is my crosshair rather than the default Fortnite crosshair that is provided. But this is how you can easily change your crosshair to a custom crosshair in Fortnite and enjoy. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our Topical Talks channel for more videos.